No, no, Santa Claus is not here. No, it's too early for that. I'm here, the baking diva. Too early for Santa. Pretty soon. But I'm here today to do a taste testing, a review for you. I don't usually do these. Once in a while, I'll do a taste testing review, my honest review. Well, I was in the store a couple of days ago, and I spotted these Oreo cookies. Limited edition gingerbread cookies. And I said, what? Say what? It's too early for those. But the stores are all decorated for Christmas already. And I guess they wanted to get them out. So I'm dying to taste them. They say on here they're a limited edition gingerbread. 5 festive designs. We'll look at them in a minute. They're a gingerbread flavored cookie. And they have, cream with crunchy sugar crystals. I don't know why I'm laughing. You'll have to forgive me. But I find this very interesting. So I'm going to open the package. I have my milk here. My milk may look a little gray to you. But anyway, I'm drinking almond milk today. But you have to have milk with cookies, especially Oreos. So they come in this bright blue package with a gingerbread house on the front. I'm going to open them up. Oh, they're in your typical rows like Oreos always come. Whoa, baby. A strong gingerbread scent. All right, so let me see. Let me bring a dish over here. Let me see. This one says on it, Oreos for Santa. It says 5 designs. Oreos for Santa. Oh, it has snowflakes on it. Is there any other ones? Oh, this one says Oreo Joy. Oh, this one's my favorite. It has a little gingerbread boy on it. Is there another one? Another gingerbread boy. Ah, and a Christmas tree. So cute. All right, now let me look here. I can see little speckles of something in the white. So let me open up the sandwich. That's interesting. I wonder if it's a peppermint flavor inside because it's white with little red speckles. It says it has crystals in it. So I think I'm going to taste the filling first. Do any of you ever do that? Let me see. Just a minute. Well, it's good, but it tastes like peppermint, but not a strong peppermint. Like a mild, creamy peppermint. Now let's see what the cookie tastes like. I like it. It tastes very good. Tastes like a gingerbread cookie. Very good. I like it. Now, let me cleanse my palate with this almond milk. Nothing better than Oreos with milk. Now, I'm going to try to taste one together with the cream and the Oreos and see what I think. I've been dying to open this package, but I thought it's too early. It's too early. Halloween's not here yet. But, all right. Let me see. They're pretty. Hi, cameraman. How you doing?
Well, I'd be honest with you. I don't have an Oreo.
Oh. Here. Come over and get one. I want to get your opinion. Well, I'm going to tell you mine. Well, let's wait a second. Cameraman, taste yours, and then we'll both give our honest opinion.
I always open them up and eat the one without the cream first.
All right.
And then I put the one with the cream in second.
Well, my favorite thing to do is this. Dunk your Oreos in the milk. Yes. Good.
This is very good.
What do you think?
Very good. I forgot to tell you which one I had.
The bells
Is this
are
a
ringing like
snowman?
clock. Snowman. What do you think it tastes like? What does your filling taste like?
Well, what's the main thing?
Gingerbread.
Yeah, that's the
It
gingerbread.
says the cream with crunchy sugar crystals.
Gingerbread.
Pretty good, right?
Now I'm
It's like a
eating.
gingerbread cookie, and the cream is like the icing. That you
Now
put
I'm eating
on
the
gingerbread.
second half, the other half of it, and that's what I always do. Is from a little kid, it's really exquisite. I love these things. These are
Oh my
fantastic.
God. Well, do you give them 2 thumbs up?
I gave them 2 thumbs up and 2 toes up.
Haven't you missed the cameraman? Oh, yes. Well, we'll take another sip of milk. Honestly, if you like gingerbread, and you like gingerbread with like a little icing on it, I think they're very good. I mean, they are what they say they are. And yeah, I give them 2 thumbs up. Not bad at all. So, if you want to try them, they say limited edition. I don't know how long the stores will have them.
I'm going out later to get them.
If you happen to see them, I wouldn't wait if you think you like gingerbread, because the way the store shelves are going lately, they're missing a lot of things. So anyway, okay, this is my honest review and the cameraman's honest review. We both like them, right, cameraman?
No, I love them.
God, and he doesn't love that many sweets. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you happen to try them, leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of them. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go down and hit the red subscribe and the little bell next to it till it says all, and you'll be a subscriber. And you'll see lots more of my baking videos, my reviews, and my taste testing. So, love you all. Thanks for stopping in. The cameraman and I, well, maybe but I don't know about the cameraman. We'll see you soon. Toodles!